added a new project and I'm going to show you how you are going to add text. We're only going to cover text. So notice that I don't have the slides with the suggestions anymore, because to me, that's distractive to me, but maybe your students will really need that. So just think about when you're going to need the templates and when you can start from scratch. Just looking at the screen. Sorry, I'm eating chicharrones. They're spicy. Alrighty. There's a lot of things that you take a look at, like OMG, but we're gonna go one thing at a time. The first thing is just text, like I said. So I'm gonna click text on that first slide, and I already have an idea of what I'm gonna say. Okay. But this is gonna be a promo for Adobe Spark. So, hey girl, just one L, right? Hey girl, that's it. So this is gonna be the full screen. That's all I have, because I'm gonna show you how to do videos and audio later. So I'm gonna add a new slide, and then my next slide, I am going to have text as well, but I am going to have it differently. I am going to add it as a caption, right? So this is where you put your photo on the top. Here at the bottom, I'm gonna add my text. Notice that's the only thing you can have. I say, did you hear about Adobe Spark for education? Question mark. And I'm gonna make it bigger because I just want to make it bigger, right? Okay, text is as largest. That's it. Did you hear about Adobe Spark for education? Notice how different they look because I am changing the layout. So this is the options that I have. There's not a whole lot of option, which is good in a way, because that means that your students are going to really be focusing on the content rather than how it looks, because I'm one of those people that takes forever to make things pretty and it just takes too much time. So you have 4 options, and that's all you really need. So I'm gonna add another slide, and I am looking at my cheat sheet that I have in front of me. That's why my eyes are somewhere else. So I added a 3rd slide, and then I'm going to show you how you're going to do this split screen. Okay. So here is going to be my photo, or I can have text, but I'm going to add the text here. So the text is going to say, is now open to all students, all grade levels, because before, Adobe Spark was only available to high school students. We have Adobe Spark for education, not just Adobe Spark. So Adobe Spark for education, it's our own domain. Basically, it's a premium, but it's free, which is amazing. So now pre-K students can use it, kinder, anybody can use it. We have our own secure domain. So that's what I'm saying. I'm letting you know as I'm making my little promo video, okay? Okay, the next one that I'm gonna use, I think I have the same, I have a caption here. Click on caption. That hasn't changed because I need to add the text goes at the bottom. So click on 4, click on caption, and now I have my 2 little things, okay. Aka, excuse me? Just wait until I show you the picture that I have that goes with that one. Okay, so you pretty much get the idea of what to do. You're gonna add more slides, and you can change the layout of your text on the panel that you have on your right. Okay, so you add as many as you want to make a storyboard in a way. So notice that I do have different things. The color is going to change depending on the photo that you have in the back. All right, so play with that. You should have an idea of what your video is going to look like, because if you start from like 0, it's going to take you longer, and it's going to take your students a lot longer, and most likely they're going to go out in the weeds. So have them write down the text that they're going to have in each slide, so this goes a lot faster. So in the next video, I'm going to show you even more features.